Hi everyone, welcome to another session by Civils 360 IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss the questions from Sectional Test 9 on environment. Before I discuss each question in detail, just pause the video and try to answer it on your own. So let's go to the first question, and the question is about ecosystem, environment and habitat. So let's first go through what is ecosystem, environment and habitat. Just consider this area as a desert area, and in this desert area there is some places where this desert people lives, and there can be a place where this oasis found, and this oasis may have this desert vegetation, water, etc., right? And there can be some places where human not even go, and in that places there is only sand dunes, there is wind, etc., right? So this whole space, this whole surrounding is called desert environment. That totality of that space is called environment, right? And in this area what happens, these people live, and these people go to this oasis area, collect water, collect vegetation, etc., right? And animals go there and feed on their own, right? So this area is a space where this living and non-living things interact, and this space is called ecosystem. And this smaller space where these organisms live, that is called a habitat. Habitat is nothing but the address or the home of these living things, that is habitat. So in a sense what we can say is many habitats together constitute this ecosystem, and many ecosystem constitutes this environment. And environment can have places where there is no life or no interaction, right? There is just abiotic factors only. So environment is a bigger set and subset of which is ecosystem, and the subset again is the habitat. So next let's go to the question. Statement first is all ecosystems are environment, but not all environments are ecosystem. That is right, because there are spaces where there is only just sand and wind, so that place lack life. So if there is no life, that cannot be an ecosystem, right? So the first statement is correct. And the second statement is habitat always contain life, whereas environment may or may not contain life. That is also correct. As we explained earlier, the habitat is like the home. These habitats constitute ecosystem. So ecosystem and habitat have life. Environment may have life, but there are chances where environment does not have life. So the second statement is also right, and the second statement is the correct explanation for first statement. So the answer is A. I hope this question is clear for you. Let's move on to the next question. Just go through the second question and take option D as statement 1 is not correct and statement 2 is correct. It is not visible here. So what is the question? Question is about man-made ecosystem and natural ecosystem. Question first statement states that crop field and aquaria are man-made ecosystem, forest, grassland and wetlands are natural ecosystem. Let's analyze the statements. Crop field is like we just found some land, we plant some seeds, and these seeds grow into big plants, pests starts coming, birds starts coming, many other organisms starts coming, and this form an ecosystem. So definitely crop field is a man-made ecosystem. Similarly aquaria is also, we'll buy a tank, we'll add some plants, some aquatic plants, some water, some pebbles and some fishes, and this forms a ecosystem. So aquaria and crop field are man-made ecosystem. Now forest, grassland, wetlands they developed on their own, they are growing on their own, so they are natural ecosystem. So first statement is right, second statement is right, but does the second explain first? No, both are different topics, right? So we cannot connect these using because. If you can connect only this statement using because or second is a reason, then only we can mark A. So here the answer is B. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, but they are different topics, so note the explanation. So here the answer is B.